I don't think you should cover it up. Just saying.
Up!
You completely missed me. Where is it? Oh, all over you. Okay. I get it now. Sneeze properly with water. Instead of going and trying to like expel it all towards me, just go and I'm sorry. And it turns it into like a mist, so that it's spread further across my face, and then like not pelting me in the face. So here's what you did. Disgusting water. Here's what you need to do. Just not twice, because I took too much water. I don't need a necking.
Let's try this again. Let's try this again.
Don't drink so much. There you go. Go for it. It's done. There you go. There you go. Try that one more time.